Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, tell me, I'm not the only one. Every family has that one relative. The one who doesn't even ask, how are you? They directly start with the interview. So, what are you doing these days? College कसं चालू आहे? Exam कधी आहे? किती percentage आले? And if you have completed your studies, they are like जॉब लागला का, सॅलरी किती आहे, ऑफिस कुठं आहे, लोकेशन काय आलं, वर्क फ्रॉम होम आहे का, वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस आहे, लाईक मला श्वास तर घेऊ द्या. And the funniest part is every family function, the same relative, the same question. Only my answer get updated. Then comes my favorite questions. So, what's next? Honestly, I don't even know what I'm having for dinner tonight, and you are asking me about my next 5 years. Seriously? And if you are quietly sitting in one corner, don't worry, they will find you. अरे इकडे एकटाच का बसलाय किंवा अरे इकडे एकटीच का बसली आहे. जरा माणसांमध्ये येऊन बसायचं, जरा बोलायचं, गप्पा मारायच्या. The moment they say that, you already know it's not a normal conversation. It's interview second round. But honestly, I don't think they ask these questions because they want to irritate us. Maybe that's just their way of showing care. They just don't realize we have answered these questions at every single family functions. But so next time I go to the family function, I'm thinking of carrying a small card. Studies going well, job yes, future plans still figuring out, marriage please ask after I finish my food. And so please collect your answers and let me enjoy my snacks. Tell me, what's that one question your relatives ask you every single time? Because I know I'm definitely not the one. So at last, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and भरभरून प्रेम द्या. Bye bye.